Hi everybody, welcome back to the lab. Well, this I hope will be a very short video. This is my HP 6032A power supply, which is capable of voltages up to 60 volt and 50 amp. It's quite powerful power supply. But I'm having the problem that when I plug the unit onto the main, the safety switch will trip. I have removed this cover as I believe it's the input filter, and lo and behold, what we have here, 4 REFA caps. So I'm sure that if I will replace those, I will fix the problem. Oh, by the way, we may want to try this online, and yes, everything went down. Removing the board is quite simple. There are 3 captive screws and the wirings are just fast on with all the colors written onto the PCB. And as you can see, those REFA caps are pretty ready to explode. So let's see if I have in my stash. Okay, I've just installed the 22 nanofarad safety cap. I don't have the 2.2 nanofarad that was in parallel of it, this one. And I believe can leave like that. It's just limiting the noisy that can be feedback to the line, to the mains. So time to plug in. Let's try. And it now do not trip. Let's power it up. And it's working fine now. So I can close it and see if the actual output over here is doing what it should. All right, everything is assembled. Well, I'm afraid that the cap replacement did not bring me out of the wood. We still have a leakage toward ground, and I'm afraid there are other 2 capacitors over here of the same brand. I'm afraid they are also leaky. So let's remove one by one until I will find the culprit. And by the way, both legs are leaking toward ground, so neutral and line, or live if you will, they both leak toward ground. And yes, the removal of the capacitor has cured the problem. They both leak in the order of 7 or 6 mega ohms, and clearly, and they are in parallel with the other. So yeah, this is a bit higher in leakage, but I can't trust it. It's still warm as I have just removed it. And let's give a check also onto the other one. They might be still usable. I mean, in terms of leakage, not really. Look at that. This is leaky. This is also leaky. It's a nightmare. This kind of capacitors, it's always a nightmare. This is fine, and probably also this one. Yeah, but the other ones are acting as resistors. And these, by the way, since they are silver plated, they already have started to become oxidized. Apologize for the dirty fingers. And the black spot that we can see onto the right here is the beginning of the oxidation. So I will just leave as I have done now with the two 15 nanofarad capacitor, and test like that, and then I will place an order for the whole set, as I don't have a proper replacement. Okay, the power supply is plugged to the line, and it's not yet tripped the safety switch, so it's a good starting point. So let's see if it's working. So let's display. Okay, it's more than enough. Voltage, let's place 22.6, and we are there. So it's back operative, and will be used a lot in the future. So that is what this thing has required to repair these capacitors, and a bit of patience. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back soon.